gubernatorial.
You know what? You're a f***ing joke. No wonder the Avengers didn't take you. Or the X-Men. They'll take f***ing anyone. I mean, you are a ridiculous, immature, half-wit moron. I have never met a sadder, more attention-starved, jabbering little prick in my entire life. And that says a lot, because I've been alive for more than 200 f***ing years. And I'll tell you, that bald chick was right about one thing. You will never save the world. You couldn't even save a relationship with a goddamn stripper. Motherfucker. I wish I could say you die alone, but it's one of God's best jokes that you can't die, except it's on all of us!